The biggest problem about choosing a tradesman to do important work for you is, can they be trusted to carry out the job safely, efficiently and professionally? Well, over the last 3 years we have done over 900 domestic installations. Now please listen to what some of our satisfied customers have to say about us.
After an initial visit and detailed quotation, I booked a date only a few days later to have the work done. The work was done quickly with very little mess at all. Some of the parts quoted weren't needed, and this was taken off the finished price. All in all, I thought they did an excellent job at a very good price. Went over and above to sort out a fault with the new boiler and ensure we had heat and hot water. Excellent from start to finish. From Chris the estimator to the fitters Chris and Andy. About 6 to 7 hours job done, all rubbish removed, what more could you ask? Great price and fantastic value. Nice respectful guys, highly recommend. Big thanks to Chris for all of his help. Really happy with the new boiler, top job and a great price too. Thanks.
So, if you're in need of a new boiler or central heating system, why don't you give me a call? We're over 30% cheaper than most major heating companies. We have a full range available, and if you want to spread your costs, I can even offer up to 4 years interest-free credit. Give me a call on 0114 282 1244 and I will call you back personally. Thank you.